Hey guys, we're doing a vent boot repair, replace, cover, taking care of the issue basically. So the old one is on there, it's been failing, looks like it's cracking, dry rotted, going to be a source of leaking if it's not already. Typically you're going to look at something like this, it's a rubber boot. With our new installs we use a lifetime product. When it comes to repairs, this is actually a pretty nifty product here, because what we can do, and Austin's installing it right now, we can go right over what's there. It's going to fit tight, it's going to fit snug. It's made of a product that's not going to break down and fail. They go from a cost of $3, $4, $5 for these up to about 20 there. Our lifetime product we're putting on a new roof is going to be more of a 60 plus kind of price. Again, you're looking at lifetime plus versus 3 to 5 years typically. But as a repair, if you're trying to keep the kind of cost down via making it a little bit easier, a little bit faster, and still something that's going to hold up for several years, this is a great option. So Austin's going to go ahead and install it right now and show you how easy that is.
So the cool thing about this is there is no rubber that'll deteriorate or dry rot, and it takes no caulk. Another thing I want to show you is it's adjustable to where it can fit. It's adjustable to where it can fit any pitch. So you simply just slide her on, put the first 3-inch cap, and then fill in with whatever cap's needed, which this one's a 1.5, and she's done. So
Perfect.
if you guys need any help with anything, feel free to look us up on happyhomeroofs.com or give us a call at 717-798-8200. Thank you.